Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on Lock Settings and tap on Screen Lock. Then pick one of the options, swipe pattern pin or password by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with pattern, so now I have to draw it. Click Continue over here, draw it again and tap Confirm. Over here you can choose when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. Click on one of the options, I will go with Don't show notifications at all, and save your changes by clicking Done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!